welcome to Navneet's Spice Magic. Today, let's prepare a special dish which is healthy and amazing. Palak corn kofta curry. This curry is very nutritious and allows us to prepare regularly, making our lunch or dinner more relishing with guilt-free. Before entering into the process, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit bell icon to get instant notifications. Raise a thumbs up and leave your valuable comments. Now, let's begin the process. The ingredients required for this kofta are spinach, palak I have finely chopped, sweet corn, gram flour or besan, corn flour a little bit, pepper powder, cumin powder, salt to taste. First, in a bowl, we will take spinach, chopped spinach, add the sweet corn to this, add the pepper powder, cumin powder and salt to taste to this. First, mix these well. Now we'll add gram flour a little bit. We will see how much it is required. Based on that, we will adjust the quantity. First, we will mix this, squeezing it so that the water releases from the spinach and it starts binding. So this is done. Now what we will do is, we are not going to deep fry or shallow fry on a pan. We are going to take the appe pan which have such grooves. So we are going to apply a little butter over this so that our koftas don't stick to them. So we are going to apply this butter on this. We'll make small round balls out of these and place them inside this. Now we have to cook these, turning around in the middle, keeping a lid covered. We'll check now. So it's around 3 to 4 minutes. So we will turn them as they are cooking, because few we have kept in the starting and few later. So we'll just see and turn around slowly. See, these are getting cooked. So these are the koftas that are ready. For gravy, we need spinach paste. I have grinded spinach. I didn't do anything. I didn't even boil it. It is raw spinach. I have ground it into paste. Cashew paste. A few cashews. I have just made paste from that. Tomato paste. Onion paste. Green chilies according to your spice. Ginger garlic paste. Coriander powder, garam masala powder and salt to taste. We'll heat a pan, add little butter to this. Let the butter melt a little bit. To this we'll add few green chilies, little ginger garlic paste. Saute this a little bit in this butter. To this we'll add coriander powder, little garam masala powder, and saute this also. Now we'll add this onion paste. Saute this a little bit for 2 minutes, not much. Now we'll add spinach paste, tomato paste, cashew paste. Now we'll mix this properly, cover it with a lid and cook for some time. Now we'll allow this to cook on low flame till it loses its rawness and cook properly. We'll cover it and slowly in the middle for every 2-3 minutes. We'll just open the lid and mix it. It's almost 6 to 7 minutes. We'll just open it once. We'll add little salt to this. We'll mix this properly. Now we'll add these koftas to this. So we'll mix this nicely because we have not deep fried these. So what we will do is we will just allow these to cook for 1 minute in this gravy so that they'll become soft and nice while serving. So we'll just cover it and allow it to cook for 1 minute, not much. Now this is done. We can just turn off the stove and serve it. Here is our healthy and a dish rich in vitamin A is ready to be enjoyed. Palak corn kofta curry is ready to be served with roti, chapati, jeera rice, puri, naan, etc. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.